Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Devotion of Knowledge. In this video, we are going to understand uh, CSS problem, sum of two values using map container. Let us first understand the question. Question states that we are given an array of size 4 and a target value. So in the given array, we are supposed to find such a pair such that they result their sum in the value of 8. For example, 7 and 1 in this case results their sum as 8. So we are supposed to return their indexes as the answer, which is 2, 4 as the answer, as you can see. So this question can be solved using brute force also. Brute force. How? Just compare this value with all the remaining elements, this value with all the remaining elements, this value with all the remaining elements, and likewise. So here you are comparing each value to the n minus 1 values corresponding present in the array. So it will take n into n minus 1, which is O of n square approach, which is not allowed because the constraint given here is 10 raised to 5. So 10 raised to 5 square it will result into 10 raised to 10, which is almost 100 times, which is equal to 10 raised to 8 into 100, because in 1 second only you can run up to 10 raised to 8 iterations only, while here it is requiring 10 raised to 10. So you will almost require 100 seconds to run this code, but here we are given only time limit of 1 second. So we are supposed to optimize this approach. How can we optimize? Using map container. Let us see how. Input given is 2, 7, 5, 1. So here we will take a map container and what is the first, and target given here is 8. So what is the first value? 2. So to make the sum of 2, to make the sum of 8 using this 2, what's be the another value present into my array? 8 minus 2 equal to 6. Okay. So initially I will check 2. Is 8 minus 2 equal to 6 present in my array? No, it is not. Then currently or right now I will simply insert this value 2, 1 with its index into my map. Okay. Similarly 7. To make the value equal to 8, I require 1 along with the 7. So is 1 present anywhere before 7? No, because it is not present into the map. Then I will just insert 7, 2 into my map. Third, 5. To make sum of 5, I should require value of 3 present somewhere before my 5 in the array. So before 5 we have inserted all the values into map. Is 8 minus 5 equal to 3 present into the map? No. Then I will just simply add this value, which is 5, 3 into my array. Into my map, sorry. This is map. Along with their indexes and value. Now 1. Now to make a sum of 8, 8 minus 1 equal to 7. 7 should be present somewhere before my array, before 1. So is 7 present into the map given? Yes, 7 is present here. So it means we have got 1, some value along with 1, which makes sum equal to 8. Then I will just return the indexes. 1 is present at the index number 4 and 7 was present at index number 2. So 4, 2 is our answer, as you can see, because 7, 1 both when combined creates the sum of 8. Sorry. So this is the main approach. Now you can also do another approach, which is, for example, create a map like this. Insert all the values 2, 7, 5, 1 initially in the array in the map like this. This is also one another approach, alternative approach that you can use, but this can be only used when no redundant values are present, means each and every value should be unique. So here we were supposed to make sum of 8. Okay, so when 2 comes, we will just remove 2 from the map, and to make the sum 8, I should require 8 minus 2 equal to 6. So is 6 present into my map? No, then this value is not useful to us anymore. Next value is 7. I will remove the 7 from the map. Now what is the value required to make the sum of 8 along with the 7? So it is 8 minus 7 equal to 1. Is the value 1 present into my map? Yes, it is present here. So I will just return this value 2 along with the value stored. So 2, 4 will be your answer. But in this case, only it will work when unique values, because if I give you an example, 1 1 1 1, this is given and I want some 2, but as far as map is concerned, map only stores unique value, so it will store 1 comma 1 2 3 4. It will store initially 1 comma 1, then 1 comma 2, and at last only one value will be stored, which is 1 comma 4, because map only stores unique key values, which is 1 in this case. So it will only store 1 comma 4, and if you are willing to find 2 minus 1 equal to 1, it won't be present into a map, because while searching for the first time we are removing that value from the map. So this approach won't work. It will only work when there are no redundant values or only unique values are present. And if redundant values are present, we have to use this bottom up approach, in which we are inserting each and every value while taking the input only. While here we have inserted all the values and there we are searching. While in this case we are searching and then we are inserting the values. So it can be classified as bottom up approach. While the previous one was top down approach. So I think this much is clear for this. This much is concept is enough for the problem, and let us move directly to the coding part. So here we are given int n and target, scene n, target, array has to be taken of size n, for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and map is also there. We are supposed to take map of int comma int m. Okay, so let us take scene arr of I. Now I will check whether if m dot find target minus arr of I is not equal to m dot end, it means it is present somewhere, because here what we are searching, when 1 is encountered, what I am checking, 8 minus 1 equal to 7, I am checking whether it is present in my map or not. So here we are searching for target minus arr of I, means if it is present into my map, means if it is present it won't be equal to m dot n. So if it is present, then I will just print my current index at which I am standing right now, and index of our another number required for making the sum of target. And now here we will return, because here we are only supposed to return only one pair, and if it is not present, then we will just insert that value, m dot insert arr of I along with the value, because if this 8 minus 7 equal to 1 was not present before 7, then we were just inserting 7 along with the index into our map. So here we have done that thing. And if nothing is present, if no combination works, then we will just print possible, impossible, because it is stated in the question. As you can see, if there are no solutions present, just print impossible. So I think our code is done. Let us run it, and then we will submit whether there are any errors or not to check this particular thing. Okay, 4,2, no errors. Okay, here let us submit this code. Testing. Okay, it is accepted. All the test cases are running perfectly. So I hope this question was useful to you while understanding the concept of map. And this concept is really very important as far as map is concerned. So here I conclude our map container to be done and dusted. In the next video we will be starting with some another concept, and now I can say that our STL playlist is finally towards its words of completion. So stay tuned for the next remaining topics. We will meet in the next video very soon. Till then, keep learning, keep hardworking. Thank you very much.